Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Machine World. Today we're diving into a review of the DMG Mori CLX 450, a powerful, versatile, and highly efficient machine tool that's been making waves in the world of precision machining. Whether you're in aerospace, automotive, energy, or general machining, this machine could be the perfect addition to your shop. Let's break down all the important aspects of the DMG Mori CLX 450. From its spindle to its automation features, and explore its technical specifications, applications, and more. Spindle. The spindle is arguably one of the most important components of any CNC machine, and the DMG Mori CLX 450 doesn't disappoint in this area. With a high-speed spindle, the CLX 450 offers exceptional rigidity and precision. The spindle motor delivers a powerful output, enabling the machine to cut through tough materials with ease. The CLX 450 features a 200 RPM spindle speed, making it ideal for high-precision turning and milling operations. This allows for faster machining times while maintaining a high-quality surface finish. Turning diagonal. When it comes to turning, the CLX 450 shines with its generous turning diameter capacity. The machine offers a turning diameter of up to 450 IM, which is ideal for handling larger workpieces without compromising on precision. This feature makes the CLX 450 perfect for handling various types of parts in industries like aerospace and automotive, where large, complex components are the norm. Axis. The DMG Mori CLX 450 comes with a 3-axis configuration, ensuring optimal movement and accuracy during operations. The XLX travels up to 330 IM, while the YLX has a maximum travel distance of 108 IM, and the Z-axis offers 660th of travel. The axes are fully optimized for dynamic performance, ensuring smooth transitions and reliable results during machining. The machine is designed for both turning and milling applications, so it's flexible enough to handle a variety of tasks, from simple cuts to complex, multi-exit operations. Control. The DMG Mori CLX 450 comes equipped with a Siemens 840DL control system, which provides users with an intuitive interface for programming and operating the machine. This control system is widely recognized in the industry for its ease of use and precision. With advanced features such as automatic tool compensation, easy-to-navigate menus, and a wide range of programming options, operators can program their parts with maximum efficiency and minimum effort. The control system also allows for integration with a variety of other systems, such as robotic automation and measurement equipment. Programming. The DMG Mori CLX 450 is straightforward thanks to its powerful programming features. The machine is compatible with multiple programming languages, including Gnode, and offers advanced programming capabilities like CAD/CAM integration, which can streamline the workflow and enhance productivity. The user-friendly interface and graphical programming options make it easier for operators to visualize their machining process, minimizing the risk of errors and maximizing efficiency. Plus, the intuitive programming environment helps reduce setup time, allowing for faster part production. Automation. One of the standout features of the DMG Mori CLX 450 is its ability to integrate seamlessly with automation systems. Whether you're looking to enhance productivity with a pallet changer or automate the entire process with robotic arms, the CLX 450 is up for the task. The automation options are designed to reduce downtime, improve efficiency, and ensure a continuous flow of production, even when operators aren't physically present at the machine. With the ability to integrate with advanced systems, the CLX 450 offers future-proofing for your shop, allowing you to stay competitive in a rapidly evolving manufacturing environment. Technical specifications. Let's get into the technical specifications of the DMG Mori CLX 450. Machine dimensions. The overall machine dimensions are quite compact considering the capabilities of the CLX 450. It has a length of around 3,000.25 h meters, a width of 2,000 meters, and a height of 2,000 meters, which makes it suitable for shops with limited floor space. Despite its compact size, it doesn't compromise on performance or capacity. Machine weight. The machine weighs approximately 7,500 kgs, which gives it the necessary stability during operations. This ensures the precision and smoothness of your machining processes, even with heavy-duty workpieces. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe to Digital Machine World for more in-depth reviews and industry insights.